Hi guys, welcome back. And today, I Vincent Loo will teach you guys how to use Bybit demo trading. So, if you don't want to deposit money and you want to test out some strategies that you learn online or through some other courses or through your friends, you want to test them out, right? So, test them out like you are actually trading and see that whether you can grow your capital, right? Which is given by the demo trading. So how do we go start with this demo trading? So if you can see your derivatives here, all the way to the bottom, there's the demo trading, right? When you click on demo trading, it will come up, the demo trading visual right here. All right. So if you can see in your left, right, bottom left here, that's your margin balance, right? That's your margin balance. That's the demo trading account, right? That this Bybit gave you. So it's 50,000 right here, close to 50,000. So that's how the strategies is exactly like the perpetual trading, right? If you haven't watched how to trade perpetual trading, right, click on this link above, right, to know how to trade perpetual trading. And then the concept is exactly the same, just that you're using demo trading. So to prevent you guys from messing up with your real perpetual trading and your demo trading, you look at here, there's a symbol called Bybit demo trading, and like top left hand side here is a Bybit demo trading as well. So make sure, right, you're on a demo trading to trade, demo trading. So we have a margin here, 50K. So again, our risk to reward ratio is 5%. 5% of 50K is 2.5 thousand. So all of your trades, right, your stop loss can only be, 2.5. So for example, right, I want to open a short right here, right, a short right here, and then I want to set a stop loss as such and my entry right now. So all I do is press any price here at the order book. It will automatically fill this out at the limit. Then I'll put in my quantity, right? So I'll go to cross and then I'll set the leverage to the maximum, right? Then I'll give it a number 0.01 quantity. Then I want to key in my stop loss. So I'm shorting, so I press short. And then I want to key in the shorting price, which is here, 66,756. And then your expected loss is $2.27, which is not close to 2.5K, which is our 5% margin of this demo trading. So I'm going to increase it a bit, 2.9. As you can see, 2.5, right? If it hit my stop loss, it will be 2.5 thousand USDT, which is again exactly same as 5% of my margin. So right now my margin goes to 100K, so 5% of 100K is 5,000. I think demo trading just gave me more margin right now. So I will change it to, so 1.8 is close to 5,000, which is 5% of 100K, margin balance right now. So let's go ahead and open short, right? So right now I have an order, like short order right now. The price is moving up and down. If I want it to be straight away open out at market price, I just move all the way to here, and then there we go, right? If you move it below the current price, it will be a market price opening, right? So I can see here from the position, now I have my position open, and then obviously my stop loss, which is already open right now because I set it previously. So my stop loss is at 66,756, and then my entry price at here. This is my P&L. So how do I set TP? Right, it's very simple. You hover on your market order here, drag it down, and this is your TP. Right, whether you want to TP here, let's say I'm shorting it and I'm predicting that it will go down. So This is my TP where I expect to learn 13K. So what's your risk to reward ratio? For example, let me draw a risk to reward ratio, right? I'm opening a short position right now, and then my risk will be 5%, exactly to 5K, and then my rewards. So my ratio is 2.62. Okay, what it means is, since my risk is 5,000 times 2.62, which is my expected reward, right? 5,000 times 2.62, I'll get 13,000. All right, which is exactly what is shown when I drag it down. So again, let's close it and then drag it down. As you can see, 13,000. Right? You see the profit, expected profit, 13,000. So again, this is how you do a demo trading. All right. So go out there, use demo trading to practice your strategies. If you don't want to use, actual money, right? Practice on how to open out trades, and then you go test it out, right? So practice, and know how to set all these things, how to set some price order, quantity, and take profit, take a stop loss. Practice all in demo trading, and after you might master it, go to trade real money. Right, as simple as that. Today will be a short video on introduction to demo trading. Right, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.